Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block someone on Instagram and PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to block someone on Instagram, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram in your browser, and here just go to the person's profile if you want to block. If you want to block someone from your messages, so just go to messages here, click on the message and then click on the profile option here. Once you get the profile of the person, just click on these three dots and then click on block. Just click on block and the person will be blocked. Or you can also go to the search section and here just search for the person's profile. And once you get the profile, just click on the three dots and then click on block and the person will be blocked to you. So in this way, you can easily block anyone on Instagram, on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.